Hello students. In this video, we're exploring the fascinating world of exponents and powers. So first, let's talk about the base. The base is just the number we want to multiply. Next, we have the exponent. This number sits above and to the right of the base, and it tells us how many times to multiply the base by itself. For example, if we have 5 to the power of 3 equals 125. Now, let's explore some handy laws of exponents. If you're multiplying or dividing powers with the same base, x raised to power m into x raised to power n equals x into m plus n. X raised to power m divided by x raised to power n equals x into m minus n. When multiplying numbers with exponents, x raised to power m into y raised to power m equals x into y raised to power m. X by y raised to power m equals x raised to power m divided by y raised to power m. Negative exponents? A negative exponent simply means you take the reciprocal of the base and make the exponent positive. X raised to power minus m equals 1 by x raised to power m. Any number raised to the power of 0, except 0, equals 1. X raised to power 0 equals 1. When you have very small numbers, you can express them in standard form using negative exponents. The standard form of a number is a representation where the number is expressed as the product of a decimal number between 1 and 10, including 1 and excluding 10, multiplied by a power of 10. Example, the mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilograms. So, what do we learn? Exponents are super helpful when working with both large and small numbers, making math much easier to manage. Here's a question for you. What does any number raised to 0 equal? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.